Hi Leos, this is Marshi, your channel Shaloka. Let's see what is your situation as of now and what you need to hear from me. Leos out there, someone on rising Venus. What is it that you need to hear from me? Leos out there. Just one more time. Your first card is this one. Six of Swords. There is something which you're letting go. There is a situation in your past, yes, which is pretty much dead. With the Ten of Swords, it's like something has ended. But then, what I get from your energy with this Hangman, you have been, stagnant, mulling over the situation for quite some time. You were not willing to let this go. You were still invested in what happened. Okay? What they did to me, all that. Because something has ended, somebody might have betrayed you. Okay? Pretty much a dead situation. Okay? And you were hanging in there. You were wasting your life over this. Trying to wonder what has happened. But the thing is, right now, you are willing to let it be in the past. Okay, Six of Swords for me is packing your bags and leaving. So you're willing to leave this situation in the past. You're done with it. Okay, and you're moving on with your life, which is a beautiful energy to start with. It wasn't easy. You had taken your time with this, okay, grieving the situation, but not anymore with the Six of Swords. It's almost like I want to say you are healed. You're healed from the situation. With whatever has happened to you, you're healing, or you have already healed. Now it's time to move. And you're moving. You're moving on. Somebody might have really betrayed you. Okay? Somebody might have done something in the past, literally sticking swords on your back. They might have done it quite repetitively. It's not once or twice or thrice. They might have done it over and over and over. Betrayal. But now you're healing. Okay, moving on. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini energy, an Aquarius energy, or a Sagittarius energy. Leos out there, what is your next card, please? Your next card is this one. We've got the Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups. There is something which is coming your way. Okay? It is coming in slowly. It's taking its own sweet time, but it's almost here. Because somebody wants to offer you something, a cup of love. Because this is also a forward-moving energy. With this Eight of Wands, it is a forward-moving energy. It's a communication, it is travel. Some of you might be relocating. Somebody is moving states, countries, or moving to another city. All right. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo, a Virgo, an Aquarius, or a Pisces, or probably a Sagittarius. I would say it's a very slow and calculated move. Leos out there, what is your next card, please? Exactly. Something is coming your way, which is beautiful. That is why we've got a Knight of Cups which flipped out. Somebody wants to offer you something, a commitment, okay, which is beautiful. Oh my good Lord. And the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. We've got the Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups, which flipped out. You know, it's almost like a double bonanza. You're getting offers left, right, and center. Okay? That is why you are willing to let go of what has happened in the past. Because now it's like blessings coming your way and you cannot ignore it anymore. Because whatever is coming through, it is huge. And you are not stupid to say, no, thank you. Yeah? It is huge. Moving on. Leos out there. What is your next card, please? Your next card is this one, actually. 10 of Pentacles, and we have got the 10 of Wands. Even while I was shuffling, I wanted to say it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy for you. That is why it took you so long to get out of that phase. And that 10 of Wands, which just came out, it was a struggle. It was a challenge for you. But now, whatever is coming your way has the potential to change your future. It is going to give you that stability, that security which you always wanted. It has everything which you want. You have your parents, you have your children, you have your significant other, you have your cats, you have your dogs, you have all the coins. So financially, you are abundant. Emotionally, you are happy with the people whom you want in your life, whom you want around you. So this is like 20, 30 years from now. So whatever is coming your way, whatever is being presented to you, whatever commitment is coming your way, it is going to set you for life. It is a commitment with this lover's energy. It doesn't have to be a relationship itself. I want to say it could be a job situation, a business opportunity. But I also want to say it's not going to stop at one. It's going to be like the Dominoes Effect. You know, things will start entering your life one after the other. This reading would feel like, oh my God, I'm so lucky. But you did go through a phase which was difficult. You wouldn't call yourself lucky because you had gone through so much. Okay? Which we wouldn't consider as being lucky. But now, you're being blessed. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo or a Gemini or a Sagittarius. Leos out there. Yes. And it feels like you know what is coming your way. You're very well aware of this energy coming your way. It's a very passionate energy. Okay, there is no stopping it. It's very fiery. You're well aware it is on its way. Some of you might be dealing with a Scorpion or a Sagittarius. Yes. And they're asking you to hold on to it. Okay? Do not let it slip out of your hands. Accept it. Some of you might be dealing with a Capricorn. I'm tired. Sorry. Leos out there, what is your next card, please? Your next card is this one. This is a card number 0, Fool card. It's like they're asking you to take your chances, even if you are not aware of where it's going to take you. Okay, with this Moon card, It's like happening behind the scenes. You have no idea. Okay, let's explain this card. It's asking you to take the leap of faith. Be the fool. Okay, once in a blue moon, you can jump off the cliff. Not really. But, you might end on a, cotton bed, or maybe on a bed of roses. Okay, there might be thorns, or you might end up on rocks and break a couple of limbs. But only if you take your chances will you get to know what is out there, right? The future is pretty much dark. You don't know what is out there, but yet you're being asked to be the fool. Take your chances, explore. Okay? Because whatever is being offered to you with the center card as an ace of cups, take it. Grab onto it. Because what you're not aware yet, because moon is, things happening behind the veil. You just don't know yet. But the path is of success. With the Six of Wands, it's victory. It is success. You will be victorious if you go on that path and accept whatever is being offered to you. Because you are deserving. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with another Leo person. I wish you luck. That's it for now. This is Marishi, my chance to look. Until next time, bye-bye.